Welcome back to my channel Hadi Vlogs. Today I will discuss in this topic Binance crypto. What is Binance crypto? A cryptocurrency that can be used to trade and pay fees on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. What is Binance coin? Binance coin BNB is a currency that can be used to trade and pay fees on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. The Binance exchange is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world as of January 2018, facilitating more than 1.4 million transactions per second. Users of Binance can coin receive a discount in transaction fees on the Binance exchange. As an incentive, BNB can also be exchanged or traded for other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, etc. Binance Coin was created in July 2017 and initially worked on the Ethereum blockchain with the token ERC20 before it became the native currency of Binance on blockchain, the Binance chain. Uses of Binance coin, just like other evolving cryptocurrencies, the Binance coins offer several uses that go beyond the Binance exchange, such as trading. Binance coin can be traded for other cryptocurrencies on various exchanges depending on the reactions set by the exchange. Transaction fees on the Binance exchange. Transaction fees on the Binance exchange. BNB can be used to pay for transactions on the Binance exchange, and users also receive a discount for doing so. Credit card payment. BNB can be the form of payment for crypto credit card bills on crypto.com. Payment processing. Merchants can offer BNB as a means of payment for customers, offering more flexibility in payments methods. Booking travel arrangements. BNB can be used to book hotels and flights on select websites. Entertainment, from paying for virtual gifts to buying lottery tickets, BNB serves several purposes in the entertainment spaces. Investment, several platforms allow investors to invest in stock, ETFs, and other assets using Binance coins. Loans and transfers. BNB can be used as controllers for loans on certain platforms. Also, there are apps that allows users to split bills and pay friends and family through Binance coins. So,